the forest green leather case from Apple. It's $49 at the Apple Store and is available for iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. I'll be showing you my 5-month review from features to condition and matching wallpaper, also practicality. Let's check it out. Apple's cases are easily attached, simple as that, just slide and snap. It's a perfect airtight fit, feels premium. It's snug over the phone and all of its buttons. I felt more luxurious leather than this, but it feels appropriate for an iPhone. It has a thin leather material that slips right into pockets, but doesn't have much of a grip. It's supposed to gain a little more over time, but I haven't experienced it yet. I recommend the silicone cases for more of a grip, like this pine green silicone case here. It'll actually be my next review, so be subscribed to see that. The leather case has a hole for the silent switch, and the buttons are in stainless steel, which makes it more premium and is stylishly visible. The microfiber liner protects your phone's surface. The Apple logo is engraved to make it distinguishable, yet subtle. Forest green is dark, but still shows as green. Unless you're far away, it looks black. Keep in mind leather can scratch easily, but this is a dark color, so it'll hide it well. Good leather is supposed to wear beautifully over time with our natural oils. Over time, if used often, it'll turn into a deeper, darker green. The front has a small lip, but high enough to protect your screen from face-down contact. It's not too thin so it can handle most body level falls, and it's not too thick that it sacrifices appearance. It works for someone like me who's careful but have occasional accidents. Wallpapers are my favorite things to match with it. It's an earthy type of green, so you can use it like a neutral color. There's so many options in the wallpaper settings. I like the exclusive 11 Pro wallpapers the most. Or you can turn any of your photos into wallpaper. Check out mine here, I took it myself. It's not a dust magnet like a silicone case, so I casually but slowly dust it with my soft clothes. Cotton is fine unless it's a material like linen or a synthetic material like polyester, which can scratch it. If needed, use a microfiber or a soft towel and slowly wipe it. Keep in mind the dye can come off if you clean it too hard. It's a nice dark color, but it's not easy to find because of it. It is nice to switch to coming from a light or bright color. It isn't an everyday color for me like black or white, but I do find myself using it a lot. I'd like to know how other people are enjoying their cases, so comment below. It looks good with all iPhone 11 Pro colors, especially midnight green. If you like matching your case, match it how you would dark brown since it's an earth tone. It looks good with neutral colors too, like black, white, gray, navy. Bring out some of the green with other spots of green and earth tones. It looks good with casual and formal wear, like a suit. And not best, but it still works with activewear. Most interfaces are black or white. It blends best with dark backgrounds, so I use dark mode with it. Light interfaces don't blend, but I do know someone who prefers the contrast. In conclusion, I'm simply happy with it. It's a good quality case. But I did buy a black leather case because I couldn't look at the green all the time. But that's just me, I like switching it up. Design's like music, I can't stick to the same beat. I hope this was helpful. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. WWDC is coming, so I'll be looking out for new Apple products to review. Thanks for watching.